eyeball wreath for Halloween. I'm gonna add more to it, but it's really easy to make. All I did was get a styrofoam wreath. I think it's a 20 centimetre one. You can pick them up from anywhere. And then I bought around about 150 ping pong balls, and I've stuck them all around the wreath. Then I've gone and got some little woggly eyes. In fact, I've got the bag here. I've actually ordered these from eBay because in the shops they were coming up a little bit too much. So I got quite a lot in a bag, and I think I got the 15mm. But I got the bigger ones, so they really stand out. You could put the back on before you do it. I haven't. And then what I've done is I've got a skeleton that I've paid about £1 for. I think it might even be from the pound shop. And I've sprayed it all silver. I'll do another vlog on this. And then I'm actually going to either stand it in the middle or sit it in the middle or sit it on the top. And that's going to go on my front door. For the kids, so it just looks like a load of eyeballs, and they've got all woggly eyes. So really easy, just ping pong balls, woggly eyes, 15mm, and a 20 centimetre styrofoam. Really easy and quick to do for Halloween. Anyway, I've got to go. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I'm back on the telly right now, so I'll see you later.